Good morning, crafters. So today is an exciting day for me, and just so you guys know, I decided to purchase an industrial embroidery machine. Yay! And guess what today is? Today is my delivery date. So I have been expecting them to deliver this, and I have been tracking the order and make sure it get delivered. So today they are delivering it, and I'm hoping I get it before um the Christmas rush. But I don't think I'll be able to do my learning and all of that before the Christmas rush. I know it's gonna require a lot of training, which I have to patiently watch and understand what to do, because this whole thing is brand new for me. And I know I got the one needle embroidery machine. I had to return that because I had 90 days to return. I didn't even wait until one month. I returned it because I was like, so it's I was loving um using the embroidery machine. I was loving it, that I could embroider, and it was looking good. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go for it 100% and go for the industrial. So I went for it. And Black Friday, Ricoma had like a sale going on, so I had to go for it. They had a sale that they bundled it with a white toner printer. I know. For those of you that are new to my channel, or for those of you that have been with me for the longest, understand my business, y'all know that I have a love and hate relationship with white toner printer. But I had to pick up that deal because it's a deal. And the guy was like, I know you don't like, because I told him I don't like white toner printer, and he was like, I know you don't like it, but this deal comes with a free white toner printer, $5,000 worth. I say, what? I am gonna take it. He said, do you want it? I was like, is that a question? I do want it. I want it. So yes, I am taking it. So he was like, okay. So I got a 20 needle embroidery machine. Yes, I went big, y'all. I went big. It was on sale. Like, the sale amount, I could not resist. And yes, if you guys are interested, I have a salesperson that can do you good. Like, he is really good like that. He guide me through everything, and he just made me understand that this is gonna pay off. Like, it's gonna pay off. So for those of you that are interested, let me know. For those of you that are interested, you will find a link. This is gonna be a referral link. Please use it, so your girl can get some kind of commission from somewhere. Since I had this YouTube platform, I've not like, I'll be referring you guys to a lot of stuff, and you guys be using it, but I don't get paid because I don't usually get require requests from the seller a referral link. But this one, I made sure I did, so please use my link. So, but anyways, I'm so excited. You guys are not gonna see this video until 2025. So anyways, I got Ricoma, if I can remember the name, Ricoma MT-2001, I guess. 8505, no, S8, or let me check it out, man. All right, this is what I got, the Ricoma MT-2001 8S, and it comes with this vivid what they call it, software. It's Chroma Plus, I believe so. And this is the white toner printer that comes with it. And also I got some hoops as well. And you guys know I'm very transparent, so let me show you guys my transaction history. You see, everything is saying paid in full, paid in full. So this is how much I bought it for. Y'all know I'm very sincere. Paid in full. And it was $15,976 to be exact. So they billed me and I paid in full. So I went ahead and bought more magnetic hoop So I bought like, I believe 4 or something. A video is going to be coming up, and this is what I paid for it, paid in full. So everything I have been paying, you know, out of pocket, because my business helped me to do that. So thank God for that. So yeah, you guys seen it, that your girl is very transparent. I am very transparent. So that 15,976, is it 76? Yes, that's $15,976 is actually the $976 is for the mighty hoop, and my kids are here, they're loud. And so I bought the embroidery machine for 15,000, and it comes with a white toner printer for free. So that is like, basically I bought the embroidery machine $10,000 if you want to do your calculations. So I'm excited. So it's gonna be coming in today. So let's watch out together. I'm excited. But anyways, guys, right now I'm doing the waiting game, and I am so excited. So they should be arriving like in less than 30 minutes. Excited. Yeah. Guys, my embroidery machine is here. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh, we cannot wait to see this thing. Been waiting. I'm excited. Woo-wee. So all of that there is all mine?
Yep, this whole big crate right here.
How about those ones over there?
Is that? Yeah, that's going. I think that's yours too. Yep.
Yeah, because I know I have two
pieces,
pieces. OMG, y'all, look at it. It's here. Ooh, I'm excited. All right. Here we go. Here comes the big daddy. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Say check for any cracks, any bump, any whatever. Before I sign that paper. I'm thinking it's just the box. I don't think it's the...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're good.
Does it look good? Let me just do 360 with this video. Make sure. Oh, that's something that Ricoma want you to be patient, because they paid them for it. They want you to be patient and make sure you get everything right, because it's not gonna be on them, because it's a lot of money. So they told me all of that. You see, inspect before accepting. Before signing, they made it clear, and they actually put it on the box. Oh yeah, this is just like buying a car. That's why they don't play. Ooh, look at my husband. Alrighty. Alright, so now I got my white toner printer coming. Yes, there we go. I'm excited that, you know, I got this great deal. I wish I did not buy a white toner printer. This would have been so perfect. But you know what? I may be selling the other one, and I'm gonna be keeping this one so that I just have everything with Ricoma. I don't want to have to, you know, sell this one and keep the other one. Then I'm gonna be having, you know, to go like, yeah, nah. I just want to put everything in one spot. So I may be selling the other one. So yeah, if y'all interested, let me know. So we are done. RL Carrier, I think they are the one that usually do Ricoma delivery. Yeah, he is done and he's out, man. Like, yep, I'm done. I'm out. Alright guys, they are gone. And it's time for me to face reality, how to get this in my basement. And yes, this is my basement door. How? How in the world are we gonna get this in here? How? Merry Christmas. Don't mind all the messes I got in my house. Let me show you guys again. It's in my garage. And camera. Look at how huge these things are. How? How? Are we gonna get this? Excuse my garage. But yeah. So guys, this is 2 weeks later. I was looking for somebody to, help my husband get this thing in the basement, and we finally found somebody. And of course, I paid the person $150, and it took them like less than 30 minutes to get it to the basement, but it was a lot of planning, and it was a lot. This thing is heavy, y'all. If you're trying to get it, make sure you got a man in the house, a man that is gonna help you. Whatever you need to do it, honey. Yep, it's out of the garage, and here this just dropped. Hey guys, so here is the machine. I'm excited. Yay! We finally got it here.
Hello. I really want you. Oh, okay, this is my channel.
Hey,
So
you both going. All right guys, as you guys can tell, this is a different day, and yes, it's hard to do this in one day. It is so freaking hard. You have to literally have everything in place, people, and your training. You have to get everything locked in, and it's a lot that goes into this. So unfortunately, mine has been in steps, like in days. Mine has been in days, like weeks, like I haven't been able to like do everything wrapped up in one day. So I just don't want this video to be too long, so I am gonna be showing you guys my installation, and that video is gonna be coming up very soon. And with the installation, for those of you that got from somebody else and not from Ricoma directly, you'll be able to learn how to install it, how to get everything together, because I'm not sure if you're gonna have access to the training on Ricoma's portal. And when you get from Ricoma, you have the portal where you have all your videos in there, and you get somebody to train you video. They're gonna do a video call and train you, which is very, very, very good, because it's like I'm a hands-on person. I just don't want to watch videos. I want somebody to show me what to do. So they are amazing. Like Ricoma they are very, very good. Like the customer service is A1. At first I was worried. I wanted to go. I was going back and forth between Melco and Ricoma, and of course I ended up going for Ricoma. I wanted to go for Melco because they will get the machine to where you want it to be, like this basement. They will get it here, and you have an in-person training. But I don't know if they have the portal training. With the portal training, you can refer back to the training. When you're confused about something, you can refer back. And one thing with Ricoma is their customer service is amazing. You guys, I already told you guys, they are really amazing. They help you out, like walk you through, do a video call, make sure you're good. And if that's not good enough, you can pay for somebody to come over for them to train you or whatever. But trust me, with the training, that I did not know that I would be able to do it that way. But their training is amazing, that I was able to do things myself. And I'm gonna show you guys, I even made, I already started making stuff like shirts, kids shirts, applique and all of that. Yes, that's how good their training is. So I'm gonna show you guys one of my shirt that I already made. So I already started making stuff with their training. So let me show you guys this one here. I have few here. I'm gonna show you guys here. I made this one. It's reading backwards because I'm using my front camera. You guys know I always use my front camera, my phone. And this one here, I have this strawberry design here. It's an applique. It says sweet one, but of course it's reading backwards. And this one is the applique. You can see glitter vinyl. I already started doing stuff. This one is so cute. I'm about to show you guys dinosaur. You can see glitter vinyl that I used. So I have been doing stuff. And this cow here, cow prints, farm design. Yes, it is so pretty. This is all applique and I use glitter. So videos are gonna be coming up. I already started doing stuff. Like, I'm excited. So I just wanted to show you guys that, with Ricoma, they'll hold your hands and make sure you're comfortable with your machine and know your machine real good. And also they train you on maintenance and all of that. Like, they go in depth and show you everything. Just an FYI, with Ricoma, you have to be patient for the training, the one-on-one training with a specialist. Otherwise, you forfeit your warranty, and nobody wants that. So if you're buying with Ricoma, make sure that you're patient for that training. I wasn't feeling them when I was waiting for all this training, but it is worth it. Like, it is so worth it. And the portal is very good because I can see all my training and all of that, like in-depth training. And you can call their customer service. You have somebody watch you and walk you through. It's like a video training. So they are so good. So you get like the free training, 30 minutes free training, they'll fix your problems and all of that. So they've been really very helpful. They helped me a lot. So I hope you guys are ready for a lot of videos coming for y'all. Like, it's gonna be really beneficial and interesting. You guys are gonna watch behind the scene. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope I've covered everything. I hope you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on all of this. You're gonna watch my behind the scene and all of that. You guys are gonna see what I go through on a daily basis with my embroidery business. So I'm expanding. I'm not just doing kids shirts, I am also doing adult sweatshirts. Let me show you guys here. So these are my adult sweatshirts. I already started designing, y'all. Like, look at that. It's reading backwards. It is wifey. And I have the one for mama at the bottom. So I have been doing a lot of stuff and things have been working out good for me. I hope you're subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so you can know when I post a video. There's a lot coming for y'all. 2025, yes, it's our year, so don't miss out on all my videos. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with your girl. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make this happen. Bye bye.